I love floral arranging, and I love flower frogs, and I love thrifted vases, and this is one of my favorite ways to incorporate bringing flowers into the house, which is kind of like a built-in flower frog on top of it. And it's perfect for shorter flowers, which is a problem that we all have, especially if we grow roses. They're not long stem. We're not growing the ones the florists grow. So the problem is we get short ones. Easily put them in one of these. So let me show you how I do it. So here it is on my dining room table. I have already filled it with water, as you can see, and I'm about to start putting some of my fresh cut flowers from the garden in it. You just use the holes and poke it right in there. And you cut the stems to whatever length you want so that they stand how you want them to, hang how you want them to. You just keep playing with it until you get it the way you want it. But basically it's repeat this step over and over again until you get the desired effect. Cut, take out, remove, switch them around. Some of them flop over. You got to cut them a little bit shorter. It's just a game that you play until you have the finished product that you have fallen in love with. And this is what it looks like. I've kind of left a little gap here so that you can see that it's still in the container, but this is perfect for putting next to your bedside, for putting in your kitchen counter, for weddings even. You could get several of these. It's just the perfect way to use up the smaller flowers from your garden and then just add a pop of floral arrangements all over your house, even short ones, because you don't always want the tall ones.